Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a power hour. I just am sitting here at my desk and I wrote down all of the things I need to get done. So this morning after I dropped the kids off at school, I came home and went through all of my clothes again, which everything is here, and I cleared out 2 drawers in here. So 2 of them are completely empty. So I'm super excited about that. I have a big pile that is just going to be donated. I am going to post another pile on Poshmark, and then there's a few things that I am going to just put up in the attic that are like heavier sweaters and things like that. Now that it's getting nice weather here in Massachusetts, I won't be needing any of those. So I have that to do. I need to empty the dishwasher. That's going. I have a load of laundry that's in the dryer that I want to get folded. I need to clean my bathrooms and the showers because they are kind of gross. And I need to vacuum the house. So just like a general kind of tidy. So I have about a little more than an hour before I have to go pick up Leighton from school. So I figured why not get this all done and try to give you guys some good cleaning motivation and really see how much you can get done in an hour when you put your mind to it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. Get up, do it, break away. Get up, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. Somehow this is beautiful, yeah. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be, yeah. Get up, do it, break away. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you.
that is it. Everything is done on my list, and it is just 12:30 now, so I have about 10 minutes to make myself some quick lunch and then head out to get my daughter. So I was able to do a lot. The only thing I didn't do was post the stuff on Poshmark, but I took all the pictures of everything because I realized I deleted the app and I don't even have it on my phone anymore. So I'll do that later on tonight when we're just like hanging out. But I took all the pictures and did all of that and have everything ready to take with me when I go pick up Layton to put in the donate bin. So I can't believe how much more I have gotten rid of. If you guys haven't seen my other 2 videos, I've done huge clothing declutters, like huge. So I'm probably up to like 100 pounds worth of clothes that I have gotten rid of, donated, given away to friends, and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard.